Hello everybody, welcome back to What's for Dinner. Well, the kids have asked me if I can make them something nice and yummy today, so I've got a treat for them. I'm going to be making some strawberry shortcakes. Okay guys, so the ingredients for this one. You'll need 250 grams of plain flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of caster sugar, 40 grams of unsalted butter, 150 ml of milk, and 1 egg, which we will lightly beaten. And then for the fillings, we're going to need some strawberry jam, 125 ml of double cream for whipping, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I've got a pack of strawberries. I'm going to use about 6 out of here. This recipe will make 4 large ones, so you could alter it, you could make them smaller if you want to, or you could just double the recipe up and make more. Right, let's make a start. Okay guys, this step you can do all by hand, but I'm still recovering from a broken finger, so I'm going to use this machine today. In the bowl I've put 250 grams of plain flour, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of caster sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. That's one, and that's the half, and I'm just going to give them a mix together. Turn it on. Right, now I'm going to add in the butter. And I'm going to mix all this together until it comes to like a chunky sand. Right, that's all mixed in well. So I'm going to add in the milk and I'm going to mix this up and bring it together until it makes a nice dough. I've lightly floured the worktop and we just want to roll it out. Okay, you want it big enough so you can get 8 pieces. Right, so we've got some left, so obviously don't waste it. Mix it back up, rolling back out, and let's make some more. Right, so I've managed to get 14 out of mine. Some are a bit different sizes and thickness, but hey ho, it don't matter really. Place them onto a lime baking tray. If they don't fit on one, put them on another one. Ooh, 2 what won't fit on. Get a little tray for them. Right, so with your beaten egg, we're just going to lightly brush the tops. So now that's done, these are going to go in the oven at 220 for about 10 minutes or until they have risen. And don't forget my 2 little ones on their own. I don't think they're little enough, they should be fine. Okay, 10 minutes. Right, so while they are baking in the oven, I'm going to prepare the centre. So 125 ml of cream. And to the cream I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, not caster sugar. There we go. I'm going to whisk that together until it forms nice soft peaks. You can see a nice soft peak, and there's only about a minute left on the baking. Okay, so they are out the oven now. Obviously I've got some at different thicknesses, but not to worry, because these big ones, once they have cooled, we will cut in half and put the fillings that way. If you've got any thin ones like this one and that one, you could put your filling on there and double that one up. That'll not be a problem. So what I'm going to do now is leave these to cool on a rack, and then once they've cooled down we will start getting them filled up with them yummy goodness strawberries and cream. So with the larger ones, all I'm going to do is cut it in half, dollop of jam, spread that around, dollop of cream, excuse your fingers, and then the strawberry, just cut that in half again. And there we are, guys, a beautiful strawberry and cream shortbread. Okay, so let's see if we can get one of these thin ones to cut in half. I think I can. You can indeedy. Dollop of cream. What I do recommend with these thin ones, what I do recommend is if you chop the strawberries up smaller, it tends to go a lot better. And there we have it, guys. And there you go, guys, all done. Some beautiful strawberries and cream shortbread cakes. Now for the bit I can't wait for. Taste test. This is going to be messy. So, like I say, some of mine turned out different sizes. Some were quite well risen and some were a bit on the short side, but they all sliced in half okay. Just make sure you chop the strawberries up into little pieces instead of trying to halve them. It works a lot better. Right, here goes. Oh my. Wow. The kids are gonna love these. And with the vanilla mixed in with the cream, it's a lot better than just a normal plain cream flavour. I'm no connoisseur on describing our foodies. That just tastes wonderful. But yeah, with the vanilla in the cream, really gives it that flavouring instead of just a plain cream. And the strawberries as well with the shortbread. Wow, absolutely wonderful. They make a perfect dessert on a picnic as well, or just a regular treat for yourself or the kids. But yes, I do recommend giving those a try. They are absolutely wonderful. And if you could do me a massive favour and leave me a like so I spread to new people, it does really help me out with the algorithm, and I'd appreciate it very much. And we'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.